Hi, welcome back. So Azure Beauty sent me a dip powder kit, another one, and this one is massive. I've had this package sitting on my desk for like 2 weeks because I had a very important assignment to do for uni. It's done now. I got 9 out of 10. Yeah, I'm so happy with that. So without further ado, let's open this kit. I'm so excited. So first things first, we've got the instruction manual. It's the same as the last kit. It just shows you step by step what to do. And next we have this instruction sheet that tells you about the color difference, which is really good because I was shocked in the last video how the color changed because I didn't expect it. And also this little card that tells you how to contact them if you have a problem with your kit. So we have the base, the activator, the gel top, and the brush saver. I didn't get this in the previous kit, so I'm excited to use it. I think it might be like a brush cleaner, I'm not too sure. There's also a little nail file and 2 spare brushes. Look, I swatched the glitter powders, and trust me, you're gonna need some spare brushes. So thank you so much, Azure Beauty, for adding them. That was like genius. I didn't even think of that. Now the brush that came with this kit is so cute and sleek. It actually looks like a makeup brush to me, like an eyeshadow brush, which is so cute. Last but not least, it comes with a cuticle pusher. This kit is massive compared to the one they sent me last time because I only got 4 colors and now they sent me 20. You have no idea how excited I am. Ooh, also, if you guys keep watching, I'm going to do a little experiment. I was so nervous to do the experiment because I didn't know how it would turn out. But anyways, just keep watching. This is actually the brush that came in the previous kit. It's like a soft, fluffy kabuki makeup brush and I just love it so much. Now for my swatch, I'm actually going to use the base and the activator to do it like a proper dip powder nail.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, that going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Young Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I do, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my move.
So here are the swatches complete. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. I'm not just saying this, I'm so in love. First we got like a set of like nudes and pinks, just beautiful. I'm gonna show you the colors up against my skin, so if we've got like a similar complexion or like skin tone, you could have an idea what it would look like on you. But these colors, wow. Thank you so much, Azure Beauty, for sending me this package. I love the Azure Beauty rep, like Anya. She is so sweet. She makes me just want to keep making Azure Beauty videos like consecutively, like every single day. Like she's so lovely.
2500 for a new pair of tissue. The same price I let the youngins come finish you. Know you been trying to hear you like you do. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the view. President's attention, I buy, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like off from the 80s. Man, straight out the drop, man. Don't go crazy, they know I'm the truth. Coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a screaming, I'm caught from the pavement. I'm in the hundreds, you make them go crazy. Wham, on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I do, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank like yeah.
Okay, I hope you guys love the colors as much as I did. Now let's move into the experiment. So I ordered this acrylic brush from Amazon and this little bottle of monomer because I wanted to see if I could use the dip powder as an acrylic powder and like see how that would work. But guys, tell me why this 50 mils tiny little bottle of monomer was £5.50. 5 Great British pounds. Like I don't understand. Like the 100 mil was like £12, I think. Like this nail stuff is not cheap. Like I don't think people understand, like this nail stuff is not cheap. But anyways, let's move on to the brush. I actually got it on sale and it's crazy because I would have got the size 12 or 14, but the 16 was actually the cheapest. So I just grabbed it and guys, this brush is massive. Look how big it is compared to my finger. To be fair, if you watch my previous video where I unboxed the 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐬 acrylic kit, the brush in there was really flimsy. So I'm kind of glad this brush is really dense and thick and it feels very high quality. So I'm happy with the purchase overall. So while I was prepping my thumb to do the experiment on, I got a package in the mail. It's a collab, a new one, like a completely different brand. So guys, I'm so excited. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the video when I unbox it. But yeah, let's get into this acrylic experiment. I'm going to be using color 14, which is a blue, a lovely, pretty blue. Did you guys just see that? I dipped my brush into the monomer and the brush drank all the monomer. Lord have mercy. But yeah, let's get into this application. This powder came out so buttery and smooth, but it's also a really wet bead because the brush is like saturated in monomer. But yeah, it was really easy to work with. I also kind of think it reacted to the monomer a bit because did you see at the start it changed colors? Like it was really light blue. And also you'll see when I do my pink nails on the second, you'll see the color changes a little bit, like it's dark pink and light pink in certain patches. So I think the powder and the monomer have like a slight reaction, which isn't a big deal honestly. But guys, I was actually really scared about the cuticle area. Like I was so scared of like cuticle flooding, and because the brush is massive, I didn't know how I was going to be able to control it like around the cuticle area. But I don't think I did a bad job like for my first proper time. But guys, the nail took so long to dry, so I couldn't really show you the end when I filed it. I tried to file it, but like it was taking ages to dry, like half an hour. So I think it's either the monomer is really slow drying or the dip powder is not meant to be used like for like proper acrylic nails. That being said, the next day this nail had set and was hard like a proper acrylic nail. So either I have to leave it a bit longer to dry, or I might just have to get like really fast drying monomer. But it was a fun experiment at the end of the day. So I prepped my nails. I'm going to be using shade 1 and shade 10. My little brother actually spilled the shade 10, my glitter powder. He doesn't think I saw him, but I saw you, Josh. I saw when you spilled it on the bed. So yeah, I want these nails to be really blingy, really pretty, so girly, and just almost over the top, but in like a nice classy way. So I've just taken out a lot of charms, a lot of rhinestones, and I'm just going to freestyle the placements. If you've watched this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a like. That's it from me for now. I'll talk to you guys towards the end.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
Carry on! Rosalind!
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the insult, though. I'm a mind if you would talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that they're both like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did put a cut when them kill Soboma. I did got to buy moto with Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much we make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white talking fairly soon. Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. We don't fast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the insult, though. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that care both like the Baba Frayo, my ayo. Ani Bibo and Shayo. Ani Bibo and Shayo. Ani Bibo and Shayo. Shayo. Ani Bibo and Shayo. Ani Bibo and Shayo. Ani Bibo and Shayo. I dey put a cut when them kill Obama. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more thing you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Churu. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbanika churu. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye yo. To the love of my life, my ayo, don't cry yo. Ani Bibo and Shayo, 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 Ani Bibo and Shayo.
Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off of that head. Shawty get thrown off in that ring. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off in that ring. Shawty get thrown off in that bed. Shawty get no one feeling right. I need a little bit of that spice. You know I'm finna go all night. Yeah, you know. Shawty get thrown off in my high. Yeah, Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get me thrown off in that ring. Shawty get me thrown off. I'm whipping up Popeyes. Meet me at her house. I'm so ready, I'm so in a benzo, jumping pop smoke. Got a Spanish bitch on me like a poncho. I'm with a rich hoe, with a hippo. I done had a good day in the 6-4. I feel the love, oh I got it going up. Think about it, going up. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown.
So guys, these are the finished look. I love them so much. I've been wanting to do like a proper blinged out set, and this was a perfect time. Did you guys see my thumbnail fell off? I couldn't be bothered to reattach it again. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you so much. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.